Hey guys, we're here at Oak Grove Truck and 4x4. Wanted to show you this 2015 F250 Lariat Power Stroke. It's got the 6.5 foot bed, 118,000 on the miles. Really a sharp truck. It's two-tone, blue over gray. Want to show you the wheels here. Here's the inside of the wheel well. Premium wheels, somebody put Michelin's on it. It's got a chrome package. It's got running boards on it. FX4 package. Rear parking sensors. Tow package with a 7-pin and a 4-pin. It's got a bed liner with the puck system in it. It does have the rear step up bumper. Let's keep bringing you around here. Good looking truck if you want to pull your boat, pull your camper, pull your equipment around, or heck, maybe you just like driving a diesel. This is a fantastic truck. It's got tow mirrors on it. Let's get you on the front side of it here. Okay, let me get you to the inside. Okay, we're on the inside of this 2015 Lariat. I wanted to kind of go over the options with you. It does have built-in exhaust brake, 4x4, electric trailer brake, dual climate control. It's got a 110 volt house plug. It's got several USB ports in it. Downhill ascent assist. It does have, if it picks it up, it's got navigation, heated cooled seats, AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth. It does have tow haul with a 6-speed adjustable transmission. It's got thumb controls for the steering wheel. Your right side's going to run your media. Your left is your cruise control. Power sliding mirrors, power folding mirrors. Obviously, being a Lariat, it's going to have power windows and power locks. The seat is in really good shape. It does have a 6th seat belt. It's got a fold-down console. Some of you guys really like a sunroof, and this one does have one with a rear power slider. And it's got home link if you want to hook up your garage door to your truck. Hey, if you're in the market for a fantastic deal on something, don't want to buy brand new, but you'd like to have something HD, give me a call at 816-281-5985. Look forward to speaking with you.